If you're looking to create and edit audio clips in Descript, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to start using Descript for your audio editing needs, even if you're a complete beginner. Descript is an incredibly intuitive tool that lets you create, edit, and share your audio clips in a matter of minutes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to maximize Descript for your projects. First off, Descript is more than just a simple audio editor, it's a full-on media production tool. Whether you're creating podcasts, voiceovers, or audio clips for any kind of digital content, Descript makes the entire process as easy as pie. It's especially powerful because of its transcription-based editing, meaning you can edit audio by editing the text transcription of your audio. It's almost like you're editing a Word document, but you're actually changing your audio file. That's right, it takes the guesswork out of audio editing. Once you're in Descript, you'll start by uploading your audio file. You can do this by dragging and dropping your file straight into Descript's interface. The magic happens as Descript automatically transcribes your audio to text, which is where you'll start editing. Once your audio is transcribed, it'll appear as a text document. This is a game changer for anyone who isn't familiar with traditional audio editing software. Now, to edit your audio, all you need to do is highlight the text you want to remove and hit delete. When you delete text, Descript removes the corresponding audio as well, making the editing process smoother than ever. You can also correct any mistakes or replace words as needed. For example, if you stumble over a word or phrase, just replace the incorrect part of the transcription and Descript will update the audio to match the new text. One of the coolest features in Descript is the overdub tool. This allows you to clone your voice and use it to fix mistakes without having to re-record anything. If you mispronounce a word or need to change something after your recording, you can simply type in the word or phrase, and Descript will generate your voice saying that phrase in the exact same tone and cadence as the rest of your audio. It's like having your own personal voice actor right in your editing software. Next up, let's talk about multi-clip editing. Descript lets you work with multiple clips at once. You can add new clips to the timeline, rearrange them, and even merge them. All the edits you make are reflected in real time in your audio, so you can instantly hear the changes. This feature is incredibly useful for podcasters or anyone who needs to piece together different segments of audio. If you want to fine-tune your audio even further, Descript offers tools for noise reduction and volume adjustment. You can quickly clean up your audio to remove background noise or improve sound quality, which is great for those who record in less than ideal environments. When it's time to export your audio, Descript makes it easy. You can export the file in various formats, including MP3 and WAV, and share it directly to platforms like YouTube, SoundCloud, or your preferred podcast host. Plus, you can even publish directly to platforms like Spotify if you're using Descript for podcasting. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Descript completely for free, and there's a special bonus just for you through the link below. If you're new to Descript, this extended free trial will give you a chance to explore all the features without any commitment. Whether you're a content creator or someone looking to streamline your audio editing, Descript is an amazing tool that can save you time and effort. Don't miss out on getting your hands on Descript with our exclusive offer. Click the link in the description below to grab your free trial today and get started with Descript. Happy editing!